Runners headed
Drinkers.
to the basement
Eaters.
parking.
Mailhan man na sa kadagang sakyan.
Day, asa ka, Day? Alright. So naabot namin sa venue sa Robinson's Galleria. Time check for 35? 32. So 5 a.m. pa ang gun start sa 8 km. Nice 16 km I think. 4 a.m. ilang gun start. So ngit-ngit pa. But there's the start and finish. So we are excited for our first ever fun run after the pandemic. So previously, suki with me sa mga fun runs, but yes, we are excited for this one.
To Mabolo Fire Station. By the way, the 1K category will be having their turning point in front of Isuzu. Upon approaching the finish line, you have your own lane. So please enter at your respective lane. Let's go! Move the front. Hey!
Tigline ng 8K runners. Let's go! 8K present, represent. Start. Okay. Alright. 8K. Alright. So naka-check enemy for 8K. Waiting for our gun start. Excited na naman. Let's go. Hopefully makabot kami sa medal kay first 100 finishers na may medal. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Let's go! One K, balik na ta, balik na. 1K, let's go.
Hindi na makuha ito. Start tayo.
So napot the big 1 km and walk sa aming kadali kay happy na. Alright, see you at the finish line. So 2 km na mi and medyo hangak na but surviving pa. So passing by Carmelites there. Walks at me then walk run ramong pacing. Hinahinay lang but kanunay, di ba? Thumbs up. Let's go. So doon na sa turning point sa 4 km na ta and abot mig mga 40 minutes. So okay lang. Slow pace lang, pasyal pace. The good thing is ano lang, we should enjoy and relax lang and di tayo ma-injure, di ba? So first one run pa lang sa after the pandemic. So okay lang. Goods lang, goods. Turning point. Salamat. 8K. Picture tayo eh. So 1 km to go na lang and among pacing kay around 10 minutes per kilometer, di ba? Not bad for our first ever fun run after the pandemic. So hopefully makabot ka punta sa 100 finishers so that we'll have our medal. So doon lang kita. We are passing by kaning white gold. Actually na bagong mall ang white gold coming soon. So ato ng videohan and then see you at the finish line na. And so far, so good among experience kay finally naka-exercise na kita balik and okay man ilang mga marshals na complete ra, mga traffic enforcers, water stations kay at least tulo ang water stations and they are serving cold water, but I'm not sure if enough na sa ubang mga runners, but probably pwede nila dungagan sunod o maybe Pocari, di ba, or Gatorade, yon. Baka naman. Di ba? So, mo lang to. Thumbs up to PICPA. Ayos kayo. We had a great time. And see you at the finish line. We'll take some mga videos dito. And mo lang to. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe din mo and comment down below. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye!
So, mo ni ang bagong white gold. Kana, see? Dako-dako gyud ang bagong white gold. Excited na me because growing up, mo gyud sige mig pasyal aning white gold and finally mall na gyud siya naong. Di ba? Ni upgrade na siya. Di na siya murag warehouse type, so it looks like a mall. So hopefully soon we'll have a video there. Atong let's check it out in the opening. So near yet so far. Alright. Woo. Dito boy. Time is 1 hour and 17 minutes. Okay. Alright.
Next, 023.
Alright, thank you. Grabe, tamaw kayo. Complete na mo ang 8K run. Finally, we got our medal for the 8K. So nakabot kami sa 100 finisher. Official time naman mga 1 hour and 17 minutes. So ayos kayo. Good thing, happy medal. Ay, coach! Basta coach! Thank you. Finally. Nice. So mag-cool down sabi and searching. So yeah, bye. Hi, thank you. Very nice snacks. Thanks. Oh. Thank you.
Sports and fitness enthusiasts are safe.
Pandesal.
So where are your race bib numbers? Can you please have them? Have them ready. Take note of your numbers. You just might be one of our lucky winners of our raffle prizes. First, we're going to give away a gift bag courtesy of